A pet peeve of mine, living in a major city, is someone who pulls up to a neighbor's house and uses their car horn as a doorbell. Now, I can see why they do it. They might be running late. Maybe they expect the person they're picking up to be waiting outside on the porch for them to pull up. Especially if the driver is running late. But you're disturbing the peace of everyone in the neighborhood. Does it take that much time to turn off the car if you're going to leave it unattended and walk, I don't know, 20 yards to someone's front door and ring the doorbell? So you only disturb the peace of the people in the house that are expecting you? I'm just laying it out there. It is a pet peeve of mine. In fact, and maybe I shouldn't say this, I kind of wish in a video game like Grand Theft Auto, one of the now look at me getting all excited and giddy. One of the missions would be that if someone pulls up to someone's house like at 5 a.m. to honk their horn as a doorbell, you just pull out your rocket launcher and blow them to bits. Oh, that would be awesome. You know, it would have to be another neighbor that wanted to fork out the money for that one-time big noise to make up for all the little noises during the month. Just an idea, just an idea. All right, that is a pet peeve of mine. Leave your pet peeves in the comments. I may make a video of it in the future. Alright, thanks. Bye.